Mm-hmm. Where am I moving it to?
Just so they get tangled up. Follow us.
Oh. Mm.
It's a real plan right here.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, so earlier, me and Watchman and Sophia went out on the paddle boat while Aliyah filmed. So now we're going to let Brother Paul and the children go out this time.
Ain't much I can't do already.
It ain't much you can't do already, okay. So, Brother...
Little Paul, wait. Jada, wait. Okay. Come here, Elijah. Give me your hand.
Just putting this over there.
How you gonna get back? Y'all got paddles? Oh, foot thing brings you back?
Get in
Yeah, you paddle.
I'm saying as far as like directing it.
There's a, yeah, that thing in the middle there, it helps you to guide it. Now, are you gonna have Jada help you paddle?
Yes, you can find out.
Okay. You sure you don't want to get in now?
Son, listen, sit your butt down. Don't stand up, son.
I don't want Elijah to get in, and I'd rather hold his hand.
Okay.
Elijah not going with y'all?
Why not?
Oh, you gonna put Elijah in there?
Yeah, that's why you have the best one. So, then we gonna teach a big chicken like his mama.
Oh, now I got to keep chicken.
Little Paul, switch seats.
That means do what?
Huh? Switch seats with your sister.
Oh, let me go untie it from the tree.
Oh, Jada, give me my phone, girl.
Yeah, back up. No, back up. Back up. You stand up right there.
Okay, let me get them untied from the tree here. Okay, I just untied y'all from the tree.
Oh, that's gonna be in the water?
It's connected to the boat. If you wanted to. It's real long.
But I'll untie it.
Okay, you can. Okay, so Stephanie changed her mind. She's going out too.
You gotta get in the water. You gotta get mommy. See mommy? You wanna get? See mommy? Go ahead. All right. You wanna sit back in too, son? There's another seat right there.
Is that one even paddles the things in that on it?
It will.
It will. That's the part I got to put a connector back together. Do you want to sit back here now? No. Okay. Let's unhook.
I guess if y'all didn't sink, we shouldn't sink.
Oh, we had something to push us off, so I guess I'm gonna have to be the pusher. We had the rake, so. Okay, there we go. Hold on real good, Jada.
There's too much weight on our side. Yeah, that's where you're on the other side. Come on, Paul. Sit on that side. Hold Elijah. Hold Elijah. Stand up. Stand up, son. Right here. Come on. Then put your feet over there. Wait, get Elijah back. Get your feet over there, son. Sit down. Come on, son. Move. Move your foot in there. Sit down. Just sit down. Come on, Jada. Both feet now.
So Jada's helping her papa with the paddle boat. Papa's steering them out to the middle.
Why we look like we singing?
Because y'all top heavy on that side. You probably should have been on this side. It's okay, little Paul.
You know what you think of, right? When you on these kind of boats, right? You don't mind if you had to like save yourself or try to catch somebody else. Right. Yeah, slow, baby, slow.
Howdy.
Y'all come this far?
No,
It's peaceful over here.
I know. I could tell. I bet it's real nice early in the morning.
Yeah.
Can y'all see what that is over there?
Piece of foam.
Foam?
Yeah, foam.
Oh, okay.
Relax. Hold up. Oh, listen. There's something else on it, like they try to put a chair on a piece of foam or something.
Oh.
They try to make one of these.
Oh, okay. A makeshift floating device. Okay, I see.
You want help? All right.
Oh, that looks nice and fun. Yeah, like I said, we went out earlier, Watchman and I and Sophia. Now Paul and his family are out there. Little Paul looks very nervous. Now they're coming back in.
Trying to say something like this so we can get set up on.
Yeah. We were thinking about making a floating dock. They're real simple. We got all the wood here. Okay, they're heading back, so I'm going to go ahead and shut off so I can help them get this in. Shalom.